Hey beautiful people, today we have the newest sprays from the Everyday Luxuries. I could not help myself. I thought I was done with the Princess collection. I was like, I need to chill out, stop buying. But then they came out with 4 more, and then 2 days later they put them at $5.95. And so I added all 4 to my cart and got them. And now we're here. If you're new here and you like fragrance, beauty, fashion, a little bit of everything, definitely subscribe. It's totally free. You hit that little red button. I have my socials down below if you want to follow me over on TikTok or Instagram. I will have timestamps for each one of these if you're looking for a specific scent. But let's go ahead and jump into it. We're going to start out with this baby right here. This one is called Strawberry Flirt. And you'll see that I put labels on top because of the way I store some of them. I need to be like, that way I can see the name without having to like pull it out. But this one is Strawberry Flirt. The notes are strawberry jam, vibrant poppy, and cotton candy musk. And we're gonna go ahead and spray this one. And this is supposed to be, let me bring it up. This is supposed to be a dupe for FLIRT's Strawberry Letter. I do not own that or have smelled it. I really like this because it's strawberry without being like that fake strawberry scent. Like for example, I pulled out this one. This is strawberry soda, and this has a very like, yeah, like a very fake strawberry scent. I still love this, but this is more of a sophisticated strawberry. It definitely is a sweet strawberry smell, but it's not as like fake strawberries like this. So if you want a more like a gourmand strawberry, but like more realistic, more sophisticated, you're gonna like this. I really, really love the way this smells. And you can definitely tell the difference between this and this, how this is like so like what you want strawberry to smell like, and this is like what a real like strawberry with cotton candy kind of smells like. It kind of gives me the vibe of like a lot of what Kayali's perfumes kind of smell like, where it's not like the note isn't like specifically like over the top, but it's there. So I really, really like this. If you want a strawberry scent with it without it being like that fake over the top kind of feel, you're really, really gonna like this. It's a nice, sweet scent. Next scent is the All Eyes on Her. People say that this is a play on words because it's supposed to be a dupe for Burberry Her Elixir. I've never smelled Burberry Her Elixir, but I can give you guys my thoughts on this one. The fragrance notes are ripe blackberry, bold jasmine, and velvety sandalwood. To be honest, I'm not a sandalwood girly. Like I like sandalwood for my son, for my husband, but it's more of a masculine scent to me, so I don't really like too much of it. And let's go ahead and spray this one. This one is also like very fruity, but not like, again, not that fake fruity. It has like, you can definitely have like that mix of the blackberry with the jasmine. I don't smell the sandalwood in here, and that was something that when I went to the store, like I was hesitant when I picked it up and was like gonna spray it, because then I saw the note that said sandalwood, because I literally just added these to my cart and picked it up in store. And when I got to like smell it, I was like, oh God, I didn't know it had sandalwood. Like I didn't even look. And you cannot smell the sandalwood whatsoever. It's basically like a really nice fruity smell with a little floral in there. Really, really nice. And I like that one as well. Like I said, no sandalwood in sight. Next we have Imperfect Beauty. People say that this is a dupe for Marc Jacobs Perfect. So it's like, again, a play on words. This is Imperfect, Marc Jacobs Perfect. So this is Imperfect Beauty. It's a baby blue, and the notes are sweet rhubarb, white florals, and radiant cashmere. And let's go ahead, and I have tried other Marc Jacobs perfumes and I really, really love them. And I feel like this is basically that type of perfume. If you like any of Marc Jacobs scents, they're usually like a clean floral scent, and they have like a uniqueness to it. And I'm almost sure that this is probably, it hit the nail on the head with Marc Jacobs because it smells just like that. If you like a clean floral, you're gonna like this. If you're into Marc Jacobs Daisy, any of his like perfumes, you're really gonna love this one because it smells just like that. It's just a clean floral scent, really, really nice for somebody who likes more of a soft scent. These are like for people who like more of that fruity, you know, like yummy kind of like more fun smell, and this is like a more clean floral, which is really, really lovely. And I can see myself pairing this with like Marc Jacobs Daisy, any kind of those clean floral scents. You could mix it in with those perfumes, so that way you can like even more accentuate that type of smell. Last, we have Pistachio Glaze, and we have the fragrance notes are pistachio creme, it has an accent, toasted vanilla and sugared patchouli. This is supposed to be a dupe for Kayali's pistachio gelato, and I bought that twice, I want to say. I think I ran out of it. Yeah, I did run out of it. I used it up completely. That scent wasn't as pistachio as I wanted it to be. It was more of a subdued version. It's kind of what I talk about here with the strawberry flirt, where it's the notes in there, but it's not over the top. This to me is not a dupe of the pistachio gelato. I feel like that is a subdued version of pistachio. This is so different from any pistachio, God, that word is grabbing me. Any kind of pistachio scent that I've ever smelled. I feel like this is totally like over the top. And I do own the Finery Pistachio Please. This is supposed to be a dupe for the Kayali one, and I feel like it pretty much is. But both of these scents, like the pistachio's not like in your face. It's very like more of a soft gourmand pistachio mixed in with you know, other notes. This, on the other hand, I was just blown away by it. If you've ever wanted to have something smell like pistachio, drink a cup of water every time I say pistachio in this video. This legit is a real, true pistachio scent. If you were to buy a tub of pistachio ice cream, if you are, again, a pistachio lover, and grabbed a pint of it and opened it up and like took a whiff of it, or have ever gotten like a cone of pistachio anything, this is what this smells like. It is pistachio. It is so nutty. It is so yummy. I am obsessed with this scent, and I feel like this mixed with this is gonna be so good, and this really brings out the pistachio. That's the last time I'm gonna say it, I'm sorry. But you can definitely smell the toasted vanilla, the pistachio, I'm sorry, that was the last time, is really in there. And a little bit of the patchouli, but basically, oh my God, this was over the top, absolutely obsessed with it. Out of all four, this is the one that I was like, damn, y'all did that. And it's, I don't really feel like it's a dupe. I don't really feel like it's a dupe. I think it's totally different from any of the other type of scents with no. So if you are a lover of that, you're gonna love this one. But overall, I love all four of these. I feel like they have really killed it with this whole collection of Everyday Luxuries duping high-end perfumes. I hope they continue to do it, but spaced out, because I really want to keep up with them. And I love layering these with perfume. So really, really great. Let me know which one is your favorite. Did you guys pick up any of these? Are you over the Everyday Luxuries? Let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this was helpful, give it a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. you.